What's good, Master Trader in the making? My name is Delonte Brady with BPGR Investment Strategists. Today, we're going to be going over the foreign exchange market. By the end of this video, you should have a clear understanding of what the foreign exchange market is, what's traded in the foreign exchange market, who the market participants are, and what the 4 trading sessions are. The foreign exchange market is a global marketplace that determines the exchange rate for different currencies around the world. And at $6.6 trillion a day circulated, the foreign exchange market is the largest, most liquid financial market in the world. Now, when you hear the word currencies, you probably think of the US dollar, the Japan yen, the Mexican peso. These are what are known as fiat currencies, but there are other types of currencies traded in the foreign exchange market. See, the actual meaning of currency is something that is widely accepted as a form of payment for goods, services, and products. Because of this, things like cryptocurrency, gold, silver, crude oil, stocks, and wheat are also traded on the foreign exchange market and are divided up into categories called stocks, indices, futures, commodities, metals, cryptos, and energies. Unlike the stock market where you buy a share in hopes that the value will appreciate over time, in the foreign exchange market, there is an opportunity to make money when the value of a currency goes up and when the value of a currency goes down. Because the market is moved by people around the world buying and selling currency, it is very important to know who is participating in it. The foreign exchange market is made up of financial institutions, hedge funds, brokers, and the retail trading crowd, which is us. Although the retail trading crowd makes up a majority of the market participants, collectively, we do not have enough capital to cause large movements in the market, but the institutions, hedge funds, and brokers do. Knowing this, it's important for you to understand that it is not their desire for the retail crowd to make money, and it will benefit you to learn how to identify the market objectives of these entities so that you can successfully place trades in the same direction they desire to move the market. The foreign exchange market is open for trading 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. Those 24 hours are split up into 4 different trading sessions. The new trading day starts with the Sydney session at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time until 2 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. The second session, which is the Tokyo trading session, overlaps with the end of the Sydney session and starts at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time and ends at 4 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. The third session, being the London session, overlaps with the end of the Tokyo session and starts at 4 a.m. in the summer, 3 a.m. in the winter, and ends at 11 a.m. in the winter and 12 p.m. in the summer, Eastern Standard Time. The fourth and last trading session is the New York session, which overlaps with the end of the London session and starts at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time but ends at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Well, this wraps it up for this lesson. Now let's review. You should have a clear understanding of what the foreign exchange market is, what's traded in the foreign exchange market, who the market participants are, and what time trading takes place in the foreign exchange market. If any of these topics are unclear to you, be sure to go back through the video to pick up on anything you may have missed. Although trading and investing provides limitless opportunities to generate income, it does involve risk. Past results do not guarantee future profits, and remember that you should never risk any amount of capital that you aren't willing to lose. This has been Delonte Brady with BPGR Investment Strategists, and remember, successful trading isn't about mastering the markets, but has everything to do with mastering yourself. For free tips and tutorials on how to get started trading, subscribe to our YouTube page, Bold People Get Rich. And for access to more in-depth and advanced training, be sure to visit www.bpgrinc.com.